In this video, we'll see how to show search results on the front end. For this, we'll create an LWC component and we'll call the class which we have created in the last video, product search controller, and this method get product search results. So for this, I have created one LWC component by the name search products. So in this, we'll import our class import get product search results from the apex type product search controller. So for now, we'll start with connected callback. Inside connected callback, we'll call our method get product search results, and inside get product search results, and as we don't have any input parameter for this, we can skip that, and so we'll put one then catch to capture the result. So in the result, first of all, we'll print the result to see what are we getting in the result. So let me put write it as product search result, and if in case of catch error, we have to catch it. So let me write a catch block error, so equals to, so let's capture the error in console.error instead of console.log, and let's print the same error comma error. Okay, so now this is done. Let me deploy this, and for now in template we'll just give one h1 tag saying that product search results page. Okay, and let me deploy this. And in the targets, I've added lightning community page, default page, and all this. Yeah, so now in this deployment we have got one error called as unable to find apex action method, because in our apex class our method is not aura enabled, not defined as aura enabled. So let's define it as aura enabled. So let me deploy the class and the component again. Yeah, once the component is deployed, let's go to our experience builder and create one new page for this. To add this component, I am creating one new page, standard page, and a blank page. Let's select one full width column. Next, and let me give product search. Create. So now in this new page, I will drag and drop my component, and my component name is search products. Yeah, so here we can see our text output of product search results page. So let's do the preview and let's inspect. As we have added our console for the result, we should get the console. Yeah, so we are getting the console, but it is in the stringify format, as I'm sending it as serial JSON.serialize, and we don't want it as a stringify. So like to read the data inside this product search result, we need it to be deserialized. So as we ourselves serializing it in our apex class, instead of serializing, let's send it as it is, like however we are getting from the connectAPI. For that, I'm going to instead of my return type, I'm changing my return type from string to connectAPI.product search results, and let me deploy this again. So for yeah, here we can see the result. Now let's refresh the page. We'll see the same console now, how it looks. So like we can read the data. Yeah, so now we can read the data. So inside our product search result, we have product pages, and inside products page we have products. So we want to run a loop on this products array to display our products here. So to do that, let me take a variable saying called as search results. Okay, so now I'll assign this dot search results is equals to result dot products page dot products. Okay, results. So if you can see here, results dot products page products, results dot product page dot products. So in HTML parallelly we can create one grid lightning array system. So for this we can use one extension, Google extension, which we have, lightning grid system. In this, what I'll do is I want a two column, one is width of 4 and one is width of 8. so that I can show my image on the left side, on the product description on the right side. So I'll copy the code of this. I'll go to my HTML and I'll paste this. So before this, I have to create a template and run a for loop on my array. So for that, I am creating one template. Inside this template, I'll be passing this. Okay. And for this template, I want to run a for each. For each on what? For each on a search results. And our for item going to be, for every for each we need to have for item, so that on which we will be looping. So my for item will be a product, and for this we need to have a key. So my key is going to be product.id. So we need some unique thing to run the loop. So I'm taking product.id, and inside this in the second column I want to show the details of the product. So for example, let's take span, and inside that I will be taking one bold tag. Inside this I'm going to write product.name, product.name. Okay, now same thing, let's see how is the structure currently we are having. So the result, current result which we are receiving, we are having products. Inside products we have name and the description and all the other details, stock keeping unit, that we have inside fields. So for that we have to go inside fields and fetch the value. So for example, we have to fetch product dot fields dot stock keeping unit dot value. So let me write that for SKU, products dot fields dot stock keeping unit dot value. Let me deploy this. Okay, my component is deployed. Let me refresh. Yeah, there is some error. So the page has error, reading dot value. So stock keeping unit. Here we can see the error, stock keeping unit dot value. Let's see, I've redeployed the component. Yeah, now we can see the product name and the SKU is got deploy is printing. So now let's put a break here, break tag, so we can see this in two separate lines, and here we'll add a code for image. So I'm taking image tag, it's a self-closing tag. Inside this we'll give a source. Our source would be, we are getting image URL in the result itself from the connect API. So for example, I'm going to connect product, I'm picking first product, and inside this we got default image. So copy paste the word here, default image, first product dot default image dot URL. You can see here inside default image, if you go inside here we have URL attribute, inside which we are getting the URL of this. And here on the right side we'll take name, stock keeping unit, and we'll take the description of the uh, product. So here I am putting one more break statement. I'm copy pasting this line. I'll put one break tag here and insert this product dot fields dot description dot value. Let me deploy this and check the result. So here we go. This is how we can fetch the product search results and display the product image, name, SKU, and description using the LWC and backend. So in the next video, we'll see how to take the search input from a search box and then fetch everything from the dynamically. Right now, I've hard coded the web store ID and effective account ID and the search key. So in the next video we'll see how to fetch search key and effective account ID dynamically. So and that would be easy one. So again here we can add the CSS styling to our images and all these things. This is a basic LWC using which you can fetch this connect API results and display it on the front end. Thank you for watching. Please comment.